You give me too much credit. You did what you were ordered to do. Because that's what soldiers do.
Soldier? I was no soldier. I was a woman who was turned into a killer by you and your agency.
Oh, so that's what you think.
Think? It's not thinking. I know this. I was a part of the agency. I have flashbacks on everything that I did.
You mean like Colombia? Kuwait?
Oh, yes. I could name a few. Cayman. Oh, don't forget. Do you remember Bahamas? Oh, You remember all that we did? They're all coming back. All in the sense of your warped sense of justice. We had to do some terrible things.
Did you count cohabiting with Stinger as one of the terrible things, or that wasn't terrible?
I guess that's what led us here. It provided the perfect opportunity. You remember the shot in the head? That allowed you all to program me and turn me into this monster?
You narrate me. If I had had you shot in the head, we wouldn't be here unless it was for your memorial.
Smooth talking again. You don't get it, do you? You died today for what you did to me.
What exactly did I do?
Turned me into this monster. This unspeakable being, this thing, wasp.
You've always been Wasp. That's who you are.
What? Soldier, get ready.
I just want to show you something.
Hold.
Master Sergeant Susan Brown. That is your service record. All the missions, all your commendations, one or two of your more troublesome exploits.
You're saying I was a soldier?
Soldier? No. You were a super soldier. A normal soldier would have maybe 10 deployments. You had 25. Medal of Valor, Distinguished Service Medal, Sniper Qualification, Hand-to-Hand Combat Expert. I would go on, but you can read for yourself.
Susan Brown. So who is Wasp?
You! You're no ordinary soldier. You're a Master Sergeant. You had so many takedowns. We stopped counting after a while. We started grouping them in ranges. There was one in particular about 200 to 300 meters through some bush. Still remember that. Matter of fact, you started to enjoy it so much. You call your bullets stingers. And that's why they called you Wasp.
God. No.
Matter of fact, that's when your protege came in. You started training him, he got really good. Matter of fact, he got so good, he started taking the shots for you. So he automatically became your stinger. He followed you around like a little puppy dog. Do whatever you wanted. He may be here somewhere. Is he still taking your orders?